In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple images to variants on Shopify. This is really useful if you sell products with different colors, sizes, or styles, and you want each variant to show its own set of images. Instead of one generic gallery, your customers will see photos that actually match the option they've selected. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and find the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage and add extra functionality to your store. On the Apps page, look for the section that shows recommended apps, and then click on All Recommended Apps. This opens up a broader list, and from there, you'll see a link that says Discover More in the Shopify App Store. Click that to open the Shopify App Store in a new view. Once you're in the App Store, move to the search bar at the top and type in Rubik Variant Images and Swatch. This is the app we'll use to connect multiple images to each variant. When the search results load, find Rubik Variant Images and Swatch in the list and click on it to open the app's details page. On the Rubik app page, click the Install button. Shopify may show you a confirmation screen with the permissions the app needs. On that screen, click Install again to approve and add the app to your store. After the app is installed, you'll be taken to its settings inside your Shopify admin. Look for a section called Variant Image Status, or something similar that mentions embedding into your theme. Here, click on Activate. A theme editor window will open, showing how the app will be embedded into your current theme. In that editor, confirm by clicking Activate, and then, in the top right corner, click Save, so the changes are applied to your live theme. Now go back to your Rubik dashboard inside Shopify. In the area labeled Configure New Products, find a product you want to work with and click Assign Images next to it. On the next screen, you'll see a list of that product's variants. Choose one of the variants and click Assign Images next to it. A gallery of your product images will appear. Click on the image or images you want to assign to that specific variant. When you're happy with your selection, click Confirm Selection and then click Save. Repeat the image assignment for any other variants you want, and you're done.